assure you, we see, some of you read this great Malarepa, and when he was meditating, practicing, what did he have? He didn't even have a proper nettle soup to make. There was no salt, there was no nothing else, it just nettle. But in his own realization mind, he feels he is the emperor of the emperor. Because his mind is so liberated, so free. He can dedicate his life helping other human beings. There is a liberation. There is a freedom. One of his teachings says, I know you the beings think I'm just lunatic and crazy. That's all right, that's your way of thinking. But in my crazy mind, all of you are crazy also. Because you are trying to chase something you will never able to catch it and say, I got it forever. See, if you have something you can say, I have it forever. Tell me. I don't think so. Yes, you got it. As soon as you get, then possessiveness comes. You want to keep hold onto it. You want to possess this. The paranoid mind comes. Graspful mind comes. Then it brings you up. All the weakness you have comes with this. True Dharma practitioner, knowing few basic, simple things in life. Even the worldly, you put a little shade, you need good foundation, is this. So in your life, good foundation is absolutely always going back to you say, I have a Buddha mind. Mind which is all pure and perfect. And it is stable. Calm. When you have a stable and calm mind, then how can anything can go wrong? Because you look into people who have very stable mind, very calm mind, generally they're very positive. And also they're quite tolerant. They're also very forgiving. You can see clearly people who are stable, they have all these qualities. But people who are very shaky, and they don't have all the things we're talking about. So then going around and picking up more information will not do you any good.